going to be showing you how to clean a Dyson, and I'm super excited because finally I have one. It was given to me, and so I know it's an older one, but again, it was free and it was given to me, so I'm very thankful for it. And so I'm just going to go through the steps of how I clean my Dyson. So the first thing I did was go ahead and just empty out that canister that had all that trash and dust and dirt in it. And I just went ahead and emptied that inside my trash can. So now I'm just taking out that little filter, and I'm going to take it over to my sink, and I'm going to wash it with my hands. I just went ahead and got the other filter out, and so I can go ahead and wash that as well, because I had to let that sit and dry for 24 hours. So I just wanted to go ahead and just wash it and get it over with so I can start on all the other stuff. So now I'm just trying to take that red piece off, and guys, it was being a booger, and it was kind of difficult at first. I finally got it off, and so now I'm just kind of take that part off, and it's pretty nasty, not gonna lie. It was kind of gross. You're gonna see me get my gloves on because I don't like touching nasty things. And so now I'm just gonna use my scissors, and I'm just gonna try and cut and get all of this hair and gunk and whatever that was stuck up in there. I'm just gonna try my best to get it all out. So now I'm using my handy dandy Q-tips, and I'm just gonna get in the little cracks and the little holes. So I just went ahead and pulled that piece off, and I used a damp cloth to just kind of wash in there. It was nasty, so I went ahead and just washed in there with my damp cloth. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. to get that purple part off, you have to push down that button for the top part or the bottom part to flap out, and then it reveals another button, so you push that button and then the purple part can come off. Trash that was in that container, I just went ahead and dumped it in the trash can, and I try to get as much as possible that I can get out before I can start washing it out. And I just use a damp cloth to kind of wash in there. did let that dry for 24 hours. I think actually I let that dry for 48 hours. But for the sake of this video, I just went ahead and wanted to show you how to put it all back together. But just know that I did let it dry for over 24 hours. So now I'm just gonna put this filter back in and put everything back onto the vacuum cleaner. So now I'll have a ready to use vacuum cleaner. I'm super excited about it. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for just watching this video. I hope you subscribe and also leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. I would really love to hear from you. And just thanks again for just watching. See you next time. Bye.